Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some Bajra ki roti or Bajra na rotlo as they call it in Gujarat, the state to which I originally belong. It is made with pearl millets and so is suitable to be eaten by people who are intolerant to gluten or have celiac disease. Pearl millet is traditionally eaten in the western part of India where it is commonly grown. The bread made out of it is very filling and is something which is a staple diet for people of the village, especially the farmers, when they come back from work in the fields, as they want something very filling and quick to make. It is a technique which needs to be mastered how to make it, and you need a bit of trial and error how to do it, though people in the village make it so quickly. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take little pearl millet flour in a mixing bowl. Add salt as per taste and mix it well. Add water little at a time to form a soft dough. Mix it thoroughly with kneading, adding little water at a time. It is important to press it with the heel of your palm to ensure that you get proper kneading of the dough. It's useful to take only small portions so you can knead it properly. Moisten it with more water as needed. Divide it into portions. You can take a bigger or smaller portion according to the size of the bajra roti that you're going to make. Flatten it between your palms as shown. If it is cracking, you can moisten it a bit and stick it all together. Ensure that it is done evenly. If necessary, press with your finger in the thick portions to make it all even. Bajra roti is a bit thick, and if you make it too thin, it will crack. Once it's done, sprinkle some water on the heated pan and place the bajra roti on it. Moisten the top surface with a little water and start kneading the dough again and adding some more to make the next one. To cook the bajra roti, I've used a cast iron pan. Ideally, you should use an earthenware pan, but it's difficult to get one everywhere. You can use a non-stick if you wish. Place the bajra roti on the heated pan and moisten the top surface. Allow it to cook on medium flame. When cooked on one side, flip it over as shown. Check and ensure that it cooks evenly on all sides. Pressing with a tea towel and rotating it will help it cook evenly all over. Pressing with the tea towel also encourages it to swell up on all sides. When cooked on all sides, remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. Try and separate out the top fold. You can put a cut on the top part in the form of a cross and separate out the top part and expose the middle portion of it, as seen in the video. Spread some ghee or clarified butter in the middle. This really enhances its taste. Serve it with a curry or dal of your choice. It's traditionally eaten with split black lentil dal, and dry curry along with papad.